Everyone thinks the best-selling commercial zero-turn mower is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story's actually quite different.
Product number 1, American Lawnmower 2607-16. First up is the American Lawnmower Company 2607-16, a 16-inch reel push mower priced at $139.99. What caught my attention is its precision 7-blade reel, perfect for getting that sharp, clean cut on fine-textured grasses like Bermuda and Zoysia. If you want a quiet, eco-friendly mowing solution that delivers professional quality results, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 7-blade design ensures that you get a clean cut every time, which is crucial if you're maintaining a pristine lawn for your business or property. Plus, the 16-inch cutting width allows you to cover more ground without feeling like you're pushing a heavy machine around. Weighing in at just 21.8 pounds, it's lightweight and super easy to maneuver around tight spots. And there's more. It includes an SK2 hand sharpener, so you can maintain those blades right at home without needing to take it to a professional service. That's a real time saver. This mower has no gas, oil, or electricity needs, making it quiet and environmentally friendly while you work on your lawn. Now, some people have mentioned that the manual push design can be a workout, especially on uneven terrain. Here's the thing though, if you're physically able and looking to save on maintenance costs, this isn't a deal breaker. It's perfect for those who want to stay active while taking care of their lawns. This is perfect for you if you're a small business owner needing a reliable and efficient mower that won't break the bank. Skip this one if you prefer a zero-turn mower's speed and convenience. For the price, this mower delivers incredible value for the quality it offers. Now, if the manual push design isn't your thing, this next option takes a completely different approach.
So we only covered one product today, but it's a solid choice if you're looking for a low-maintenance, efficient mower that doesn't rely on gas or electricity. If you want a pristine lawn without the noise and mess of traditional mowers, the American Lawnmower 2607-16 might just be the answer. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.